Hello and welcome. Hi viewers, today in this video we will discuss module 19 time dollar function, which is the built-in function of GW basic programming language. So let's start. The purpose of this function is time dollar function is used to set or see the current system time. The syntax says time dollar, like this. Time formats. Time can be the following format: HH for hour, MM for minutes, and SS for seconds. So this is the format which can be used, where HH is the hour, MM is the minute, and SS is the second. Now we'll discuss an example. On line 10, T dollar equal to, we use actually a variable named T dollar, like this, and then we assign this time dollar function like this. In line 20 we'll type in T dollar that contains the time dollar function, this T dollar string variable. Line 30 we'll just use blank print statement. Line 40 we'll type print time dollar, like this. And on line 40 we'll again use print statement, blank print statement. Line 50 we'll again use print time dollar. Line 60 we will type ENDN to end this program. So let's switch to the IDE. We will execute this program and see how this function is helpful in telling us the current system time of the computer system. Here we are on line 10. We will use again T dollar equal to time dollar. Line 20 we will type print T dollar. Line 30 we will type just print statement. Line 40 print statement. Line 50 print time dollar. Line 60 we'll use ENDN statement, then we will press the F2 key. So you can see that we can see the current system time, which is 2 hours 15 minutes and 25 seconds. And this print statement, since we did not use any variable or any statement with these two print statements, line 30 and 40, we see blank spaces over here, and then this the time dollar gives us the current time system of the computer system. So let's discuss this program in the text area, how this program is useful and helpful in executing and getting the current system time of the computer system. So we'll discuss the interpretation of above program. Line 10, time dollar function, which contains the current system time, is assigned and then stored to T dollar, which is a string variable, by using the assignment operator equal to symbol. On line 20 print statement is used with $, string variable which now contains the current system time and will display on the screen as an output on line 30 and 40. Print statement is used without any I'm talking about this print statement on line 30 and 40. We can't see any expression or any variable name with print statements. Both these two print statements on line 30 40 print statement is used without I will use statements are used without any expression or variable. Therefore they will display blank spaces on the output screen on line 40. Print statement, I'm talking about this line 50. On line 50, this statement print time dollar on line 50. Print statement is used with time dollar function which will again display the current system time on the screen on line 60. END statement is used for representing the closing, or you can call ending of the above computer program. So this is the whole interpretation of the above computer program. This is how this $t and time dollar gives us the same time, current system time. Now if we use this program and generate and execute the program, then in the time according to the time difference we will see different time on the screen. So this time dollar actually gives us the value of time in this format, like the first one is used for hours and then colon, then the second one is used for the minutes, third one is used for the seconds. And since 2 digits are used for each hour, minutes and seconds, so that's why the format is like this. We just discussed about this one. This can be asked as a question in the format of this one. This is the format, actual format of the time dollar function. That's all, viewers. We have discussed the time dollar function in our today's video, and we discussed the purpose, its syntax, its format, and then we discussed what H stands for hours, M stands for minute, and S stands for seconds. And we just discussed an example, right? This one, and we executed this as well in the IDE. And then we discussed the interpretation as well, that how this function generates and gives and returns the value of current system time of the computer system. That's all. Thanks for watching.